choice, they have no voice. For their Gratian moray, learn those offenders fell into the hands of ruthless oppressor. He sheltered in the voice, cared for growth and love, knowing in this world they have a home and freedom to roam. Home at last, Gratians, never turn and need each other. Father Gratian moray, home at last, you say. Receive a child like this, so come to me. Oh, you are weary. Our alma mater, our shelter, our mentor, educator of mind, body and spirit. Graduates of Gratians, of promising careers. In this hallowed ground we have a skill and future to tell. Home at last, Gratians, never turn and lead each other. Father Gratian moray, home at last, you say. Receive a child like this, so come to me. Oh, you are worried. Home at last, Gratians, never turn and lead each other. Father Gratian moray, home at last, you say. Receive a child like this, so come to me. Oh, you are worried. So come to me. Oh, you are worried. So come to me. Oh, you are worried.